The untold truth about oat milk. Is oat milk good for you? Plant-based alternatives have become incredibly very popular in the recent years. Oat milk is one of the plant-based milks that gives you a lot of health benefits. Before we discuss why oat milk is a life changer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to never miss a future update from us. Oat milk is from oats, a whole grain food. It is vegan, it is lactose free, it is dairy free, it is a superfood. Oat milk is enriched with essential nutrients such as potassium, calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Potassium regulates blood pressure, calcium builds maintain strong bones, while vitamin D keeps your bone healthy. Vitamin A supports a healthy immune system. B vitamins found in oat milk takes care of various functions in your body such as your nails, hair, and healthy skin. It also helps elevate your mood and keep oxidative stress at bay. Did you know that oat milk absorbs much water? So when sieved, all the macronutrients and micronutrients pass through, making it creamier, more nutritious, and sweet-tasting dairy-free milk. Oat milk is free from all the harmful allergens found in other types of milk. Oat milk contains beta-glucans, a soluble fiber that helps improve cholesterol levels and keep your heart healthy. Because of these amazing benefits of oat milk, it is now ranked along with almond milk as top choices of milk alternatives. Well, all the coffee lovers out there know this. Oat milk is also cholesterol-free. Yes, you heard it right. It's zero cholesterol, and oat milk helps lower bad cholesterol in the blood. Excessive cholesterol is bad for your heart and overall health. Looking pale and experiencing extreme tiredness? Consume oat milk as it helps prevent anemia or the lack of red blood cells in the body. Vegan dieters are at high risk of developing anemia since most plant-based foods lack the essential micronutrients such as iron. A cup of oat milk a day keeps anemia away. 1 cup of oat milk contains 10% of the iron you need daily. Natty Milk Factory offers a blend variety of oat milk such as fresh oat milk, pumpkin seed oat milk, taro oat milk, almond oat milk, and walnut oat milk. Get your nutritious oat milk through a hassle-free shopping at the Almond and Oat Milk Delivery app by Natty Milk Factory. Available for download in iOS and Android. Liking this video? Give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more video updates. See you in our next healthy video. Choose healthy, choose dairy-free, choose Natty Milk Factory.